Hi everyone, here we've got HAFURY Note 10 and let me show you how to enable night mode or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's begin with some customization. So let's open the list of apps and let's find the settings. Here let's tap on the display and on the third position we've got Nightlight, so let's tap on it. As you can see, we can schedule that feature. Let's tap on it. Now it is not scheduled, but we can turn it on at custom time or turn it on from sunset to sunrise. Let me pick, for example, custom time, and as you can see, we can freely choose the start time. Let's click on OK, and the end time. Let's click on OK. And as you can see, the screen turned a little bit yellowish. It is because we were in the chosen time. But let me turn it off. In order to turn on the feature, click on turn on now, and the screen turns yellowish again. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, you can adjust the intensity of that feature. It's up to you. Okay, let's get back, and this is the whole customization. In order to have much faster access to that feature, simply unroll the top bar and let's find the Nightlight icon. Now it is turned on. If you do not have this icon, no worries, simply tap on this pencil right here. Let's find the Nightlight somewhere here, hold it and drag it to the very first section. But let me get back. And now in order to turn off the Nightlight, just tap on this icon. And as you can see, the screen turns to its normal state. So that's all. This is how to enable Nightlight in your HAFURY Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.